Alright folks, welcome back to Crabbin and Fishin this edition. I just want to show you how we clean our crabs, and I'm going to tell you right now, if you're one of those folks who thinks that food just magically appears in the supermarket, this is not the video for you, so you should probably go ahead and shut it off now. Otherwise, I just want to show you a quick tutorial how we clean the crabs, and you can catch some of our other videos to see how we catch the crabs and go from there. But again, I just want to show you how I do it. Some folks will take the time and throw ice on their crabs and all that other stuff, but I just like to get it done and be over it. So for example, here's a nice big male crab. These have been in the refrigerator overnight, so they are kind of chilled out. But we take it, we pop the top off of them, clean the mouth and the gills off of them, and then we'll really just spray them down with some water, clean the insides out, just like you see me doing here. Take the underbelly off. You can do it either way, however you want. Get that out of there. I'm going to use these crabs to make some crab gravy. So yeah, it's really it in a nutshell. That's how we do it. I said clean the underbellies. I do it assembly line style. Do a few. Spray them down. These aren't going to move because, like I said, they've been in the refrigerator, so they're kind of stagnant at the moment, which is how you want them. You can get grabbed, pinched. They're not biting you. They would pinch you if they were kicking around, but that's it. Some folks like eating that, as they call it, the mustard inside of it. I'm not a fan of it. That's my only that's the only thing going, then yeah, sure, I'll eat it that way. But as we call them, dirty crabs, this one here is a little bit more lively. Yep, it is a female. Some females were caught and kept. It's not illegal in this state, so again, your opinion is your opinion and it's yours. So I typically don't keep them, but as you see this time I did, and that's my prerogative. Fan or not. Anyway, I just want to show you a quick tutorial on how we clean the crabs. Pop the tops off, peel the underbellies, take off these gills, lungs, whatever the proper terminology is, and then we take off the mouth, and come back to you, and I'll show you when I get these ready for some gravy that we're going to make. Stay tuned.